Oh, look at you, lying in bed, lights off, scrolling through YouTube at 2 a.m. Instead of sleeping like a normal human, you're watching me explain why you can't. Classic. You close your eyes, but nope, suddenly your brain decides it's the perfect time to replay that embarrassing thing you said in 2014 or remind you that you still haven't done your taxes. Fun, right? Here's the deal. You're not broken. You're just sabotaging me, your brain, with late night screens, stress, and zero routine. Stick around and I'll break down exactly why you're still awake and maybe how to finally knock out. Alright, let me hit you with some science before you start yawning for the wrong reasons. Sleep isn't just turning off. It's actually a finely tuned process run by two big players, your circadian rhythm and your sleep pressure. Circadian rhythm, that's my internal clock. It's like a bossy little timer that tells your body when to feel awake and when to feel tired, all based on light, darkness, and routine. Then there's sleep pressure. That's adenosine, a chemical that builds up the longer you're awake. Stay up late and boom, you're drowning in it. Here's where it gets fun. When you finally crash, I take you through stages: light sleep, deep sleep, and REM. Deep sleep is when your body does repairs, builds muscle, and resets. REM is where dreams happen and your memory organizes itself like a messy desk finally getting sorted. Without both, you wake up feeling like a zombie that's been hit by a bus. And before you say, I'll sleep when I'm dead, bad news. Cutting corners on sleep makes you die faster. Heart problems, weak immune system, brain fog, pick your poison. Sleep isn't optional. It's literally my nightly maintenance mode. Ignore it and I start glitching like Windows 98. Alright, so if sleep is so important, why are you lying in bed staring at the ceiling like a confused bat? Simple, you're sabotaging me. First culprit, screens. That phone glowing in your face at midnight? It blasts me with blue light, tricking me into thinking it's noon. Result? Melatonin, the sleepy hormone, gets delayed and you're wide awake scrolling memes instead of snoozing. Second culprit, stress. Every time you replay that embarrassing thing you said in 2017 or panic about tomorrow's to-do list, I crank up cortisol, the stress hormone. Cortisol and sleep go together like oil and water. They don't mix. Third, caffeine and junk food. That one innocent coffee at 5 p.m, yeah, it lingers in your system for hours, quietly blocking adenosine, the chemical that makes you tired. Add in late night snacks or sugar bombs and your body's busy digesting when it should be resting. And let's not forget your terrible schedule. You stay up late on weekends, wake up early for work, then binge sleep to catch up. Guess what? You can't. All you're doing is confusing my circadian rhythm until it has no idea what time it is. Bottom line, you're treating me like a 24/7 entertainment center instead of a brain that desperately needs downtime. No wonder you can't sleep. Okay, so you've been sabotaging me, but don't panic. I've got a fix-it plan. First, protect your melatonin. That means dimming lights an hour before bed and yes, putting down the glowing rectangle. If you must scroll, at least use a blue light filter, but honestly, just give me peace. Second, tame the stress monster. A simple routine like journaling, stretching, or deep breathing tells your nervous system it's safe to power down. I'm not asking for a spa day, just 5 minutes where you're not thinking about bills or your ex. Third, respect caffeine. Treat it like sunlight. Fine in the morning, poison at night. Same goes for food. Late night pizza might taste like happiness, but it's a sleep killer. Aim to finish big meals at least 2 to 3 hours before bed. Fourth, consistency is king. Go to bed and wake up at the same time, even on weekends. Your circadian rhythm loves rhythm. Mess it up and you'll feel jet lagged in your own bedroom. And here's the kicker. Fixing your sleep also fixes your energy. If you've been dragging yourself through the day, I already broke that down in my video on why you're always tired. Check the link below in the description. Think of this video as part 1 of the solution and that one as part 2. Bottom line, I'm your brain. Treat me right at night and I'll reward you all day. And there you have it. You finally know why your brain won't let you sleep and how to fix it. But don't stop here. If you really want to wake up feeling human again, watch my video on why you're always tired. It connects perfectly with everything we just talked about. Links waiting for you below. Also, I need your help. I'm trying to hit 200 subscribers before October, and every sub gets me one step closer. So if you found this helpful, or if you just want a smarter, less sleep-deprived brain, hit that subscribe button. Sweet dreams, smarter days, and peace out.